Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radiator on a 2007 Ford Expedition. Gather tools, drain coolant, disconnect hoses, remove fan shroud, unbolt radiator, and install the new radiator following torque specs and proper hose routing. I'll walk you through each step slowly, point out common mistakes, and explain safety tips so you can finish confidently and avoid leaks. Stay tuned and keep rags and a catch pan nearby. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and draining the coolant into a proper container. Remove fan and shroud, detach upper and lower hoses, and unbolt mounting brackets carefully to free the radiator. Transfer any sensors and trans-cooler lines if present, then install the new radiator, reconnect hoses, refill with the correct coolant mix, and bleed the system until no air remains. Finally, run the engine to verify stable temperature and no leaks. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car repair tutorials. I also recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a mental model for valuing repairs versus replacements. It's a thoughtful, practical read that changes how you think about spending on maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Common issues include leaks at hose clamps, trapped air causing overheating, and transmission fluid cross-contamination in radiators with coolers. Tighten clamps, replace damaged hoses, and perform a proper bleed procedure by running the engine with the cap off and topping off as needed until bubbling stops. If the transmission lines show contamination, flush the transmission cooler or consult a shop. Always pressure test the cooling system if you see persistent leaks or unexplained temperature rises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.